What is up, everybody on YouTube? It is your boy Noah, son of the barber, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to do a mid fade. And as you can see here, I get right into the haircut. My first step here is putting in my bald line. I'm dropping it a little bit in the back just to make a better effect at the end. But yeah, here's my first step, guys. Here, I grab my box shaver and I begin to bald out the bottom half. Here I grab my wall seniors, and to do my first guideline, I go up about ½ an inch, keeping it all even around the head. Here, I went back to my trimmer and I'm barely bumping up that bottom line. I'm not even going up ½ an inch. I'm doing this just to make it easier to get rid of that line in the next step. Now I grab my lever closed and I'm bringing that line up halfway. Then I will also open the lever halfway and bring it up all the way to completely blend out that line. So as you guys can see, that bottom line is completely blended. So my next step here is to grab the half guard open and go up another ½ an inch. Here, still using the half guard, I've closed the lever and I'm attacking that line that I just created with the half guard open. Make sure not to go above what you just went with the half guard open, because you are now using the half guard closed, and that's obviously a lot shorter, and that'll just mess up your fade. So typically, the half guard closed always leaves some weight behind. So I went back to my lever open. I'm just playing with the lever and using my corners only to remove any lines or dark spots I see remaining. So here I'm going with the same steps. I have the one guard open and I'm going to go up about another ½ an inch. After this, I'll close the lever with the one guard and I'll attack that line that I just created. As you can see, I close the lever here and I go underneath and attack that line that I just created with the one open. Here's the 1.5 guard, and I'm keeping it consistent by going up about another ½ an inch all around the head. Here, I've closed the lever and I'm attacking that line that I just created. Here, as you can see, I have my 2 guard on and it's closed, and I'm just flicking out that top bulk. I'm kind of going straight up onto the head. As you can tell, I'm using a different motion than the other ones. And here, to get that top bulk remaining, I put the number 3 guard on, and that should remove all the bulk on top. Here, I went back to the 2 guard. This time it's open, and I'm removing that bulk left from the 3 closed. Now it's time for my detail work. I went back to my lever all the way open because I still see that line at the very bottom, and I'm using the lever, playing with it, using only my corners to get rid of that line. Make sure you only use your corners because you will bring the fade up if you don't. So here, I thought it would be easier to take out that bottom line with using that half guard to soften it up, so that's exactly what I do here. I soften up that bottom line using the half guard closed. This This is by far the longest part of the haircut, and people may lose patience. But as you guys can see, the line is already coming out. You guys just need to be patient and keep doing what you're doing, using your corners only, and you will get rid of that bottom line. Here, as you can see, I'm just doing some more detail work with the one closed, just flicking out some lines that I see, playing with the lever. So now, after I finish my detail work, I am now combing the hair down, getting it ready for a lineup. So yeah guys, it's pretty much the cut. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I thought it came out pretty clean with the beard lineup and everything. But please like, comment, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.